Hello everyone, my name is Multra Enoch and we are going to revise Science Paper 1, the paper that was written by the internal candidate in 2016. So this question is coming from the topic of electromagnetic induction. Specifically, this is a transformer. So they are saying figure 8.1 shows a transformer which has a primary coil of 500 turns and the secondary coils of 25 number of turns. So a transformer that is just the device that varies the alternating current supply. So there are two types of transformer. We have step up and step down. So when the number of turns to the primary they are more compared to the number of turns to the secondary, it means that that transformer is the step down. So looking at that transformer that you have been given, it is the step down transformer. And then they are saying calculate the secondary voltage of the primary coil if connected to 240 volt main supply. So first thing that you have to do is that you have to correct data. So you're going to write data. So the essence or the purpose of correcting data to help you to do what? To determine the formula that you are going to use. So there we have the number of turns of primary, also secondary. So number of turns of primary, that is 500 turns. Then number of turns of secondary, that is 25 turns. Also from there we have been given the voltage of the primary. So voltage of the primary to be 240 volts. Then we are being told to find the voltage of the secondary. So from there we're going to use the formula of number of turns to number of turns of primary. So number of turns of secondary over number of turns of the primary is equals to voltage of the secondary to voltage of the primary. So number of turns of secondary, you are having 25 there, over number of turns of primary, that is 500, is equals to Vs over voltage of the primary, that is 240. So from there you cross multiply, having Vs times 500 is equals to 25 times 240. Then you divide both sides by what? 500 over 500. So there you cancel. So Vs is equals to, there cancel, there cancel. So there 1, there 2. 2 into 2, that is 1. There you are getting 2. So the voltage of the secondary was 12 volts. So this is the solution at A. So we proceed to B, where they are saying calculate the efficiency of the transformer if the primary current is 0.6 amps and then the secondary current is 8 amps. So the efficiency, so one thing that you should know is that the efficiency is calculated by power output over power input, power input times 100%. So from there the power output, that is for the secondary, so voltage of the secondary times current of the secondary over voltage of the primary times current of the primary times 100%. So from there you are having voltage of the secondary to be 12 times the current of the secondary have been given to be 8 there in the question. That is 8 over voltage of the primary, that is 240, times current we have been given to be 0.6 times 100%. So if you compute everything, you are going to obtain 66.7% as your efficiency. So please don't forget to subscribe and share. So these were the required answers. See you in the next video.